Hello viewers, for today's video we will be exploring about 6 fun facts about gummies. Gummy candies, or jelly sweets, are a broad category of gelatin-based chewable sweets. Gummies are available in a wide variety of shapes, most commonly colorful depictions of living things such as bears, babies, or worms. Here are the 6 fun facts about gummies. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Here we go. Gummy fact number 1. Gummies were designed in Germany during the 1920s. More than 100 years prior, in 1920, a confectionery laborer named Hans Riegel, tired of his work, utilized his insight into the business and began testing in the kitchen. He began making hard confections on a marble chunk and moved on to chewy candy once he got the formula down. With his new chewy treats, he began a business broadly referred to the present time as haribo, which is a blend of his name Hans Riegel and his old neighborhood of Bonn, Germany. Gummy fact number 2, gummy bears were originally called moving bears. Hans Riegel concluded he really wanted his new candy to stick out, so in 1922 he chose to make his new sticky candy into bear shapes out of natural product gum and refer to them as moving bears. These are currently known as the Haribo Gold Bears we see today. Gummy fact number 3, gummy bears and gummy worms didn't make it to America until the 1980s. Haribo opened up an organization in Baltimore, Maryland in 1982, yet a year prior to. The American organization Trolli presented the well-known sweet called sticky worms to American children, energizing kids and netting out guardians all around the country. Curiously, Trolli was controlled by another German confectioner, Willy Maderer, who established Trolli in 1948, and whose organization became exceptionally famous during the 1980s in America. Regardless of which you like, sticky bears or sticky worms or both, each stays a top pick right up till today. Gummy fact number 4. There was a Gummy Bear cartoon. In ordinary 1980s style, NBC made a show called The Adventures of the Gummy Bears. It ran for a sum of 6 years and was Disney's first major energized TV series and aided shoot gummy bears into mainstream society forever. Gummy fact number 5, a world-famous snack. Sticky bears are tracked down from one side of the planet to the other. What's more, sticky confections are obviously extremely famous too. Yet the originator will consistently be Riegel's gummy bears, or as the Germans call them, Goldbeeren. In Spain they are called Osiris de Oro, and in America there are gummy bears in pretty much every general store. Gummy fact number 6, 26 pounds of fun. You can really purchase a 12-kilogram, 32,000-calorie gummy bear on the web. It even accompanies a serving dish connected to its stomach. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing discoveries.